How to access iCloud messages in any iPhone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to access your iCloud messages on any iPhone. This is super useful if you want to sync your messages across devices or recover old text. So let's get started. First things first, before accessing iCloud messages, you need to make sure it's enabled. Here's how. What you need to do is open settings, simply tap on your Apple ID. From here, go to iCloud and simply find and make sure messages is turned on. As you can see here, if it was off, turn it on and wait a few minutes for messages to get synced. Open the messages app on your iPhone. Your iCloud messages will appear automatically. If messages are missing, wait a few minutes for them to sync. If your messages aren't loading, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and check your internet connection and restart your iPhone to refresh the sync. And that's it. That's how you can simply add or access iCloud messages.